Hi, welcome to Mautic by HEM, a CRM and marketing automation platform built specifically for the education sector. Working with different educational institutions all over the world, HEM gains a lot of valuable insights into the challenges that schools face when it comes to student recruitment. A few years ago, it became apparent that one of the biggest problems many of our clients had was managing their follow-up process. Our solution? A customized version of Mautic, an open-source marketing automation platform that fits schools' unique recruitment needs. As you can see here in Mautic's dashboard, our CRM offers a variety of school-specific reports to gain insights across channels and at different stages of the admissions process. If you visit the Report section of our CRM, you will discover even more detailed information and insights across a wide variety of custom reports. Another way that Mautic helps schools is by streamlining their student lead management. In addition to storing the contact information of leads, agents, applicants, employers, etc., some popular features include the easy segmentation of these contacts. Here, you can organize leads by admission stage, program, location, language. It's completely up to you. Mautic also offers a robust calendar integration that allows your team to coordinate follow-up, manage appointments, assign tasks, and more. You can also directly call, email, and text leads as well as log details from these events. Mautic also allows you to automate certain marketing processes and functions across a number of channels. We're just going to visit the email section, for instance. And here, you can create a bunch of different new emails, including template emails, which are sent out automatically in campaigns, as well as segment emails, which are sent to certain groups of contacts. Now, these emails are based on a customized template that HEM creates in accordance with your school's needs. You can also do the same for text messages, for instance, and soon for WhatsApp messages. You can create custom messages to send out to specific groups of contacts at specific times. Now, to automate these processes, you can go to the Campaigns section. And here is where you can create campaigns that are as simple as autoresponders or as complex as workflows with different conditions and parameters. Here, we're going to show you a relatively simple email workflow. It's a drip campaign where different emails are strategically spaced out across a period of time. Now we're going to navigate back to the campaign section and show you a little bit more complex campaign. So as you can see here, this one begins with a form and then sends different messages and has different actions based on the contact's characteristics. In Mautic, you can also customize a whole bunch of different components such as assets, you can build lead generation forms, create landing pages, and even build dynamic content. You can also create lead scoring systems to prioritize the contacts that are most likely to enroll. You can create different actions and manage different triggers for these lead scoring systems in Mautic. Now, we could go on and on all day about the number of different features that Mautic offers. But if you want to learn more about this system, you can visit the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.